First line. Unity in diversity means living together in harmony despite different cultures, religions, and languages. Second line. It teaches us to respect and accept people who are different from us. Third line. India is a best example of unity in diversity. Fourth line. People in India celebrate many festivals and follow different traditions. Fifth line. Even with many differences, we all share the same national identity. Sixth line. Unity makes a country strong and peaceful. Seventh line. Diversity adds beauty and richness to our society. Eighth line. We learn new ideas and values from each other. Ninth line. Unity in diversity promotes love, tolerance, and cooperation. 10th line. It helps in building a better and united nation.